Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 8th of July 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading videos updates from my side. Moreover guys, I was on vacations and I'm just back from to my hometown, and now we are going towards the analysis. So I appreciate that you people have shown me some patience, because I was not giving signals for a few days, and I was because there was some problem in my family, and I was out of my town where I had no internet signals. Okay, now let's get started with Euro USD. So Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 112,192 and 111,894 is the target price. You can see that the level is already break and Euro USD is going down. If we go to the daily chart, then you can see, look at this candle that's already prepared at the moment. You can see it's making the bearish momentum. Till now we do not have any bullish signs on the chart on Euro USD. So right now, if we talk about Euro USD, then we can clearly say that it's into the bearish zone. So that's why we have given the bearish signal in our signals report. Okay, now let's talk about another signal of the day, that's New Zealand USD, and that now let's move towards the report. New Zealand USD with a bearish expectation from 0.663 366 and 0.65998 is the target price. And guys, you can see that the level is already break and New Zealand USD is making the downward pattern, and from the overbought levels, from the red levels, it has received the rejection, and also the scalper is also pointing us with the sell arrow in the form of red arrow. So overall, if we talk about the trend of the day, then trend of the day says about New Zealand USD is bearish. Okay. Overall, the market was slow, but it has reacted very good on few pairs. For example, on USD JPY, a clear bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 108,372 and 109,153 is the target price. And guys, you can see a strong and clear bullish trend on the chart. You can see the market has clearly moved up. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on 200 Forex Flips suggestions. They must have taken a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the signals report. AUD USD with a bearish expectation from 0.69821 and 0.69438 is the target price. So with a bearish expectation, you can see AUD USD is making the downward momentum. From the overbought levels, from the red boundaries, the market is getting the rejection. The scalper has also pointed you with the red signal, and you can see that the market is moving down. And if we go to the 4-hour chart and daily chart, then you can see that we do not have any bullish signs. The market is just following the downward pattern on the basis of the daily chart. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF. Easy trade was given to the subscribers in the morning from 0.99070 with a bullish trend, and 0.99605 is the target price. And guys, you can see that the market breaks the entry and it has finally went up. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on USD CHF. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, this signal is on the way. 130856 is the bullish entry and 131252 is the target price. The levels are already drawn on my chart, and you can see the market is making the bullish pattern. We have a very good bounce from here, and the market is staying above the entry. So if it goes above, then it can reach up to 131252. At last, I'm going to talk about another perfect trade of the day, that's Euro JPY. Easy signal was supplied to the subscribers in the morning with a huge gap. 121647 was the bullish entry and 121953 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market has started to go up, and within no time, within few hours, the market is just about to hit the target price. So overall, congratulations to all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on Euro JPY. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the trading system. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is making the upward momentum from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. Let's check this thing on some other pair. For example, on USD JPY. Okay, now on USD JPY, if you look at here, then the market touched the oversold levels of the system. It was clearly directed upward, and then it has gone into the upward direction. and when it goes into the top red boundary and starts losing the momentum, then it goes down. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.